to say I keep her check. She was a bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm wrecked. Crash at my place, baby, I'm wrecked. Needless to say, I'm keeping her.
Hi guys, I hope you are doing well today. If you are a person who has moisture overload or your hair is just way too moisturized and you're starting to deal with those limp curls, then these are just a few, I guess, little techniques or remedies that you can use to just add a little bit more protein to your hair as well as promoting hair growth. So today I'm just going to be doing the Indian Healing Clay Mask, which you guys have seen me do on my channel before, as well as trying rice water for the first time on my channel. Okay, so to start off, I'm just going to use some regular white rice that I had in my cabinet in a mason jar, and I'm just going to pour some rice in here, maybe about halfway, and then I just added some room temperature water to the mason jar. And a lot of YouTube videos, people have been like washing it first, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the rice, and then I'm just gonna come back and then put some more water into it, as you guys see me doing right now. And then I'm gonna leave that for a day. So now I'm going to be using the Indian Healing Clay Mask, which you guys have seen me do before. So there's no measurements to this either. I just put the powder, the Indian Healing Clay, in the bowl. And then I pour the apple cider vinegar in there. And I just stir it until I get the consistency that I want. So sometimes it really starts off being super clumpy in the beginning. But I'm just going to keep adding it until I get like this nice pasty type of consistency. Like I just put enough apple cider vinegar in there to get it to like run through my hair easily and just not get, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just going to speed this part up. I'm just rinsing my hair off. So there's still gel and stuff in there, which you'll see in the next clip. There's still clumps of gel and conditioner in my hair. It has not been washed. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all throughout my hair, and I just try to get each and every strand as much as I can as possible. And then whatever I have left over, I usually just put it on my face or put it on my neck because it's good for your hair and your skin. Okay, so now I'm going to take the rice water and I'm going to pour it into a plastic container. Now I'm going to be doing like a dipping method. I feel like if you have shorter hair, then you can just like get it and just pour the rice water all throughout your hair, or you can put it in a spray bottle. But I didn't have any spray bottles laying around that weren't already being used, so I just poured it inside of this plastic container. And I am going to rinse out the Indian clay mask really quick. So yeah. So next, I'm just going to go ahead and do my co-wash. I saw in a lot of videos that they were doing or adding the rice water in their hair after they've done like washing their hair or co-washing. So I'm just going to go ahead and co-wash only because I used that drying Indian Healing Clay. So I didn't want to go in with like a sulfate shampoo. So I'm just co-washing it because I'm getting ready to do like a protective style. So this is just me with the co-wash in my hair. Yeah, that's just how it's looking. I've already accepted that my hair is just naturally has loose curls in some part of my hair, and there's really nothing I can do about it because it was like that even when my hair was freshly big chopped. But now I'm just gonna dip my hair into the rice water, and y'all, like, I can tolerate harsh smells. This rice water smells so bad. So just the thought of putting my freshly rinsed clean hair into this nasty smelling substance is just but anyway, people have been doing this for years. It's how people grow their hair nice and long and strong. So that is just what I'm doing. And I am going to rinse my hair off camera, or rinse it out off camera, so you're not going to see it. But this is my hair with everything done. There's no product in it right now. I am going to go ahead and take some Aveda Damage Remedy, and I'm going to apply that to my hair as, I guess, my leave-in for my style that I'm going to do, which I also filmed a video on that, so it'll probably be posted as soon as this one comes out. But yeah, I just went ahead and applied that everywhere, and this is just pretty much how my hair is looking. Like I said, I already accepted the fact that I'm gonna have loose curls, a loose texture in some parts of my hair. I've decided to just not do wash and goes because they don't turn out the way that I want them to anymore. So I've just been doing a lot of braid outs, which I'll probably do another updated video on for you guys, because I feel like I've just been mastering my technique. But yes, we reached the end of the video, you guys. Thank you so much for clicking, for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.